Valentine's Day is around the corner. We're having our second annual poetry reading contest for Valentine's Day. We would like you to send in your poems via email. Our email address is NickyNick718@gmail.com. Out of those poems that we receive, we will pick the best 3. After the best 3, we will read it on air, and you, the audience, will pick the best. And that person will be on the show to receive their trophy. Remember, love is in the air. Every week on the NickyNick New York show, we will have the Brain Buster game. On this show, you will have the opportunity to earn a Sony laptop. How you will do this is we will give you 3 questions on the show and 3 questions on YouTube. For every correct answer we receive via email, you'll get 3 points. Once you've reached 1,200 points, you will be rewarded with the laptop. Here are the first 3 questions for the NickyNick New York show Brain Busters game. Number 1. What is the indent above your upper lip and below your nose called? What is the indent above your upper lip and below your nose called? That's question number 1. Question number 2. Baskin-Robbins ice cream maker once tried to produce and market an ice cream product with what vegetable flavoring? Question number 2. Baskin-Robbins ice cream makers once tried to produce and market an ice cream product with what vegetable flavoring? Here's question number 3. From the computer world, what does the word modem abbreviate? From the computer world, what does the word modem abbreviate? So here are your first 3 questions, your first opportunity to earn 9 points to get you closer to that laptop. So please email us at NickyNick718@gmail.com with your answers. NickyNick718@gmail.com. Do you want a t-shirt? A NickyNick t-shirt to be exact? Would you like your name on the back of it? Why don't you send us an email at NickyNick718@gmail.com and we'll send you a t-shirt with your name. Again, email us at NickyNick718@gmail.com and get your NickyNick.
La nature renaît, c'est le temps des jeunes, la saison des amoureux. Cette auto d'expression de vie et de gaieté accentue